Hey, welcome, my YouTube friends, to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa, and I'm so excited to share this album with you. It is a never ending folio album, and I decorated it with a fall collection from Simple Stories Country Harvest, which is a few years old. I'm calling this the never ending folio because it just doesn't end. You can purchase the tutorial over on my website. I'll put the link down in the description box for you. Oh, it's such a wonderful album. I'm so excited to share it with you. I just a little quick note. This album is coming. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make this album. I'm waiting on my paper to get here. I'm going to be using a Christmas collection from Simple Stories, the Yuletide collection from I think last year. I think. And I'm still waiting on it to get here. But as soon as it gets here, I will start doing some tutorials on how to make this. I will put the link down below if you haven't seen that folio. Um, yeah, you can go watch it. Okay, so this album measures 7 by 10. I just collaged up the front, and there's the spine, and there's the back of it. And I just used scraps that I had. I didn't have all of the papers because I had created another album with this. Okay, so I just had a lot of scraps. Okay, here we have 3 pockets. Okay, and then I used a one of my favorite punches from Echo or EK Success, kind of throughout the album. I can put those back later. And then here I use some washi tape from the collection. And then here is a double stacked pocket. Okay. And then I just cut out a 4x6 and kind of decorated it and glued it here. And then used some of the brads to put here. Oh, this paper collection. Yummy. Okay. So then we have this. Here is a pocket. And I did use 3 or 4 different colored cardstocks. I used orange, gray, orange and blue, brown, and cream, and then kind of black just to kind of accent it a little bit. Here you have a double stacked pocket as well. And then this folds out. And then we have 2 pockets here that are just glued on 3 sides. Okay. And I did use a little bit of a ribbon to accent that just a little bit. And then this flips open and we have a vellum window. Oh, very cute. Very cute. And then we have a flip here. And again, some more of the washi tape from the collection just to help kind of accent it. Then that opens. And then by gluing the just three sides, we formed a pocket on the back side. And again, some more washi tape from the collection. Beautiful. Now I will be, I did, in the tutorial you get the chipboard album and the cardstock one, okay? So I am doing a cardstock one, okay? And I use different colors of cardstock to create this, and I'm going to be decorating this with the new collection coming out from Simple Stories, the Junk Drawer collection. So as soon as I get that in my hands, I will be decorating this one. But you get both options when you purchase the tutorial, okay? So then these flip open. And then you have a belly band here. Then that flips. Then you have a pocket here. And I just use some of the 3x4s to put inside there. Beautiful. Love that. And then this flips open. And again, just use some washi tape. And then this one flips open. And then we have a pocket here. And then here we have another pocket here that acts as a closure. And then that opens up. I use the black a lot just to kind of, accent, just to give it more flair, I guess. And that opens. And then I put some photo mats here. But very cute. And that closes. And these just live here in the pocket. That helps keep that all nice and tidy. And then this all closes. And then it opens up this away for this element. So here, I just use twine for a closure. And you don't even have to put a closure here because that's not, just ain't going nowhere. I just thought it was a nice accent. And that flips open. And that flips. For that, that's the very back. So lots and lots of room for photos. And then that just closes. And that just ties back. And then we have this side here. And I just, used the stickers from the sticker collection just to decorate these. And that opens. Oh, that paper is just beautiful. All right, then that opens. And again, I just used the washi tape from the collection. Then we had a flip here. So I added black cardstock to the back to create a pocket. Very cute. And again, some more of the washi tape from the collection. And then here, 2 photo mats, and I just glued 3 sides just so you could have a place to put some photo mats. And then that flips. And that flips. And then here, I just glued 3 sides to create a pocket here. So that is my never-ending folio. I hope you enjoyed this project. Share or go check it out on my website. I have lots of tutorials over there. But yeah, pretty neat. Never ending. All right, that's all I have for you. I appreciate you hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, we'll be talking to you guys later. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.